So now onwards, users are created. We also implement number of role options related to the ESXi infrastructure. Now, if we want to assign any specific role to any user, what will be the process? So for that purpose, you just need to right click on the host option and just enter into the permission side. So here you can see that I just want to add any user to the host side. Just click on the add user button. And previously we created two types of users. Here you can find IT admin and IT support. So I just click on the IT support, and from here I can select the role option, and here you can see that I have also created a customized role which is called IT support. So after creating this, after selecting this, I just click on the add user button. As I click, here you can see that user is also added to our ESXi host with its supported role. So from here you can perform number of options related to the user creation, as well as with the you can say role options. So if I select here the IT admin option, so from here I can also assign customizable role to the specific user as well, which is customizable options available for the implementation of ESXi management. So we explore number of options related to the security and users. Right now we have another important option which we can utilize for the purpose of security, and here you can see that it's called the lockdown mode. When we click on the lockdown mode and click on the edit setting button, here you can see that we have three options related to the lockdown mode. First one is by default lockdown mode is disabled. If you want to restrict any specific number of users from login to your ESXi host, you can enable it from here. Restrict lockdown users are restricted to log in from vCenter servers only. So if you want to implement any kind of restrictions on any specific user to log in to your virtualization infrastructure, so you can utilize the change lockdown mode as well. And the third option is called the normal lockdown. Users may log in via DC UI and vCenter server. So if you select third one option, then you have the capability to restrict number of users from login inside your ESXi infrastructure by using the HTML5 client as well as your vCenter server option. So I hope that you get number of security ideas related to the users implementation when you are going to plan a virtualization infrastructure.